Dale.
What's going on, guys? We randomly have a new tornado in town. As you can see, that pose went down. I was working out. This nigga just decides to fall on us. Lights go out. Now I can't work out. I had to leave the fucking gym. The car's moving with the wind.
Damn, look at the
See?
sidewalk tree.
Yeah, I know. What is that? We're here to the left. You think we could steal it, whatever it is?
Sure, let's just go home, dude. I'm scared.
Bro, the only reason the lights went out is because did you see the pole you just recorded?
Yeah?
That's the only reason.
Oh.
As you guys can clearly see, I can't see shit. And the car's moving real bad.
Slow down.
Oh damn, the wind's moving the car's shitload.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is awesome.
It's gonna stop sometime. Because I have a lot of memory.
What?
I don't have a lot of memory, so it'll...
We were told it's 80-mile-per-hour winds. So a tornado might form.
Go
Mama,
through the neighborhood, dude.
Mama, I love you. Take care of my bike. so scared right now, Mom. Damn, you see the car moving like that?
Chewy, stop.
It's true, soul. Did you tell your mom to open the garage?
Yeah. Let me call her. I'm gonna turn it off.